in the lock. You kidding? Oh, that's right. You got it lined up. It's just upside down. Can you turn it this way? Can you turn it this way? Here, get a new grip on there. There you go. There you go. You did it. There you go. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Woo! You want to try again? Okay. Here you go. Here you go. That's right. I know. Oh my goodness. You know where it goes. You gotta get lined up just right. You gotta get it lined up just right. Do you want me to help you? Let me help you there. You did
got it.
You did it. Now what? Now what? Can you pull it out? Can you pull it out? There. Pull it out. Take the key out. There you go. There. Uh-oh.
Yay.
All done. Good job, Samantha. Good job helping us lock the door.